Embark on the journey of choosing the perfect electric bike with this comprehensive guide, tailored for adults seeking a blend of fitness, convenience, and sustainability. Begin by understanding your personal motivations, whether it's improving health, navigating city streets with ease, or embracing an eco-friendly mode of transport. Dive into the diverse world of e-bikes, exploring options from sleek city models for effortless urban commutes to robust mountain bikes designed for off-road adventures. Delve deeper into the mechanics, uncovering how pedal assist and throttle mechanisms redefine your riding experience, and the crucial role of a high-quality battery and motor in ensuring performance and longevity. Navigate the e-bike market with confidence, learning to balance cost against quality, ensuring your investment delivers both immediate joy and lasting satisfaction. Discover the significance of frame design, tire types, and gearing systems in crafting your ultimate ride. Embrace the innovation of e-bikes, understanding their positive impact on health, urban mobility, and the environment. For a selection that caters to your specific needs and desires, visit bigcatbikes.com. With a wide range of meticulously crafted e-bikes, expert advice, and dedicated customer service, find the e-bike that resonates with your lifestyle. Join the vibrant community of e-bike enthusiasts, sharing experiences, tips, and trails. Embrace this journey towards a greener, healthier, and more enjoyable future with the right electric bike by your side.